Hey everybody, it's Jordy at Carve Infusion here. So I've made videos down here, some wood, getting some wood from the doctor. Fraser River's all back here. But this is a piece of pine wood that was just dropped today. I'm going to be doing a on-site carving on this. It's going to be, he wants an owl up here and a wizard here, down here, with his arm like this holding the owl. So I'll figure that out, but I just wanted to show you guys a little thing what I'm going to be up to. I think it's going to be raining here for the next week, so once the weather clears up to be nice weather, I'm going to be hard at this sucker. So yeah, I can't wait. It's I'm excited to do it. And this part here is going to be a flower pot, right? So he wants to plant a fern in there. So yeah, I've never really carved too much pine before. So Steve Canzora, I'm going to be calling you, and I know those are pine trees that you're carving there on site, so I'm going to be calling you and probably asking you some questions. Yeah, it's pine wood, all right. Maybe Ponderosa pine, but yeah. So owl up here. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Hi, hello. Where's your mom and dad? Anyways, guys, so I'll be filming YouTube for this. See you later. Okay, so here I am up by the river now. You guys have seen me get wood from here before, but here's a piece of that pine too. So I told him to save me a piece so I can practice carving it before I actually carve on the site. Because like I said, guys, I haven't carved too much pine, but this is soaking wet. Holy shit. Yeah, I think this is Ponderosa pine. I don't know. This is a pretty big piece of taking my Forerunner. But maybe I'll slice it up here. Take one of these smaller pieces. I think this is the wood they just cut. Here it is, right here. They just cut it, bucked it up. Oh no, that's not it. You know where that wood is? He just cut up. Hey? You know where the wood is? He just cut up. Uncle Rob.
Yeah, he stacked it over.
Oh, they already chopped it and everything?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay, so, and I'm also going to be, next week or soon, I'm going to be getting some of this huge cedar, first growth, and doing some bigger scale carvings. Yeah, this is huge stuff. Thanks, Uncle Rob! Okay, Jordy Gets. So I'm going to take this back to my carving area, set it up. I'm not going to carve today, but I'm going to, then look, I got some nice pieces to practice some owls with. I can even have bottoms on them too, right? So, all right. Yes, Jordy Gets. Okay, plans have changed. Mike is the owner, and he's pulling the logs out. He's going to buck it up for me today. So you guys can see the size of that. That is probably the best cedar there is right now in British Columbia. It's super old. It was an old dock. This wood was, so it was the underside of a dock along the Fraser River, so the water preserved it, right? So.
That's a big fucker.
Gonna get it cut into 2 6-foot sections. So they're gonna be big carving. Oh, Uncle Rob! That's 6 foot tall. Careful, Rob. Oh yeah, absolutely. I want to see if we can get one more piece of wood from, because I want to carve him an owl too, but like something else out of there.
Oh yeah, we could. Well, that might go. He can cut one all the time. We'll put it in the back of the truck on our next trip.
Okay. Okay, got those 2 big pieces on there. I don't need all 4 big pieces. And got a nice beautiful piece of yellow cedar. And I'm going to carve Mike, the owner of this property that's given me this old gross red cedar. I'm going to carve him a nice owl in this yellow cedar when I get some time. So this will go in the back somewhere. I don't know. And I'm going to have to buy Rob a case of beer too. Uncle Rob likes his beer. That's going to be a nice owl carving. I'm loving carving the owls. They're fun to carve. Okay, see you later. Okay, so yeah, I shaved. Okay, so Uncle Rob's pulling up the trailer. He'll be showing up with the trailer. And I got to clean this area to try and get the wood right here. So yeah, that's what we're going to do next. But I'll show you guys. After I did my live video, I did a couple other carvings. What did I do? I did this one yesterday. It's a burl. There's a flower pot right there. Okay, hey, let me get myself off this camera. See, this is a burl with a flower pot there. Got these guys. This one sold. The silly little owl. Learned from Ryan Cook and Uncle Kevin. And I did this one too yesterday. I like this guy because his face is kind of different. I made it so his face is going up. And this is the one that I did for the live video yesterday. Anyways, once Rob shows up, I'll put my camera on the tripod and I'll just do a time lapse of unloading it. This stuff's super heavy wood, man. Since I'm here, guys, you know, yesterday I put for the last 3 days, I put 2 coats of spar varnish on this, okay? So look at this one, for example. This was 1 coat of spar varnish, but I just went over it with my Sandaflex. It acts like a smudger, right? So you get that color back out, right? There's still spar varnish in here, but you've taken a thin layer of it off and it smudges it. So then you get your high points, right? So I don't know if you guys remember now, before till now, with this guy too. And I even did it with this guy down here, and you can see the high points. Like for example, that's a high point. You can see it's brighter and it makes the carving pop out a lot better, right? Okay, here comes Uncle Rob. We got 2 big pieces of cedar. One's 6 foot tall, one's 5 foot tall. And the yellow cedar, I'm going to carve Mike, the owner of the property that's gifted me that wood. The yellow cedar, I'm going to carve an owl. I think I already said that. But he's going to pull his trailer up and he's going to back it in here to my new wood hoarder tent. And part of that's Jude's and Scott's for their lawnmower. And then we'll unload it here. It's a dumper trailer, so. Game on! Game on! Crank her hard, Uncle Rob! Good job backing up. Look at that, putting it right in. Perfect. Okay, now he's going to back up a bit. Hopefully we can stand them up on their own. Okay, stop! Stop! These things are huge.
Right on, bro.
Effortless. Good job, man. Should we?
Okay, I'll pull her up and close the doors up.
Okay. Yeah. Now we gotta move them over with the dolly. These things are massive. Boy, these they sure look a lot bigger since they're here. Holy cow. So you guys, Rob's gone to pick up the other two pieces because Mike told me if I'm not taking them to carve, he's going to chop them up for firewood. And I'm like, no way, man, you can't do that. This stuff's dry, pretty well bone dry, and you just can't. And it's the growth rings are like, you can't even freaking see them. It's so tight grained. But you guys want to see me carve an owl? Because I got to practice. This is tomorrow's project. I got to carve an owl on this ponderosa pine, or whatever kind of pine it is. You guys, if you have any chainsaw carving tips on carving pine, you can leave them in the comments below. But you guys, you can see all this sap right here. Ah, boy. But if you guys want to see me make a quick video carving one of these, I know I've already carved owl videos, but if you want to see a quick video of me carving this owl tomorrow, I can make a video for you guys if you want. You know, it's just a way for me to show that I care about you all, and I really appreciate your support and stuff like that. So, I don't know. You guys want to see a chainsaw carving another owl on this pine? This is the practice pine. So, anyways, I guess I'll just wait for Rob to show up. Okay guys, sorry I wasn't filmed, but Rob brought two more logs, so I got 3 6-footers, or 2 6-footers, 1 5-footer, and I don't know what this one is. So, but I'm not going to be carving those for a while. I got too much other stuff to do. So I got this pine set up for tomorrow. You guys want to make, once again, you guys want to see me carve an owl on this thing? And my buddy Gordy's here. He bought this off me. I got to finish it, the succulent holder. And hey Gord. And he locked his keys in his truck, and look at the size of the tow truck BCAA sends. It's just silly.
Rig puller.
Yeah, rig puller. Okay, so that's it, guys. See you later. Busy day.